Ni semua parcel yang I dapat last week, so let's unbox them. Firstly, we have a soap. Yang ni I dapat bila I pergi dia orang punya workshop last week, and they introduced this Lucent facial concentrate. I baru pakai sekali, so I'm not sure if I like it. Diptyque. I pergi dia punya event juga. This is really cute. This is sort of like a limited edition. Basically, diorang tak produce 30 ml punya perfume except for this time. For like a Valentine special thingy. It's really cute. I love the perfume. I think the perfume smells different on different people. So, and I rasa kalau you nak bagi present to someone, this is just perfection. Okay, next is one of my favorite makeup brand, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Valentine's Day latest lip collection. Really, they sent me a lot. So I have 4 new lip liner. I freaking love their lip liner. This is like my holy grail. I love this one. If you're in the market for lip liner, please consider getting this. This is amazing. We also have lip glosses. Look at the color. Color is serious cantik gila. They sent me like 5 lipsticks. Oh god, I know so many people would like this. I'm memang biased towards Anastasia. I memang suka gila all their products. So next we have this serum from Laneige. This is like their latest invention, which I am sort of like impressed. They have like 3 serum in 1 bottle. This is the packaging. So you just twist it. Nampak tak? Dia ada like 3 different serum in 1 packaging, which I think is really cool. And then dekat depan ni pun dia ada macam 3 nozzle. So yeah, target dia macam for anti-aging, but also you don't have to be like in your 30s to start using this, you know. I want you guys to see the nozzle thingy. I tak pernah pump lagi. Oh yeah, so dia macam keluar. You can see that. Ooh, dia macam ada texture. I think dia ada perfume. I'm not a big fan of skincare with perfume, but I'm not sure. This one, you're gonna die. Huda Beauty sent me their latest eyeshadow palette. I am obsessed. This palette is so gorgeous. You are not ready for this. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. This is insane. This is... Okay, there's this color yang macam... It's out of this world. Let's swatch 2 colors to show you. This is Limitless. Dia macam so buttery, so creamy. It's crazy. It's so crazy. The way they reflect is just... Let's try another one. I want to try another gold. I'm so sorry. The gold looks insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. Literally, it's okay. This one, I'm sure I'm tak tahu sangat what this is, but I'm sure I'll find out. Face gloss highlighting dew. Not sure what that is. Oh, I don't know. Nothing is happening. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is the mascara. This is the new mascara. Next is from Tatcha. This is body care. This is my first body care from Tatcha. We have body wash, body milk. This is body oil. This is from Rare Beauty. I love the packaging. Look. This is the name of all the shades inside, and this is all their lipstick and lip liners. I think Selena is wearing this shade, so let's open the shade. Yeah, this is... I think this is a very nice color. Ooh, such a nice color. Okay, lastly we have this from Drunk Elephant. They always send the biggest box, but I'm not complaining. Thank you so much. So first we have this makeup pouch, and then we have this Tangle teaser. This is supposed to be really good. This is a mask for your body. I'm not sure. This is shampoo, and this is the conditioner. So cute. Body cleanser, and this is body lotion. Oh. So actually it's a towel with a lot of mini towels, and it says Drunk Elephant here. So cute.